Hey guys, give me your honest opinion. How do you like this? When I saw that, I was very impressed. I was very excited about it. It's not just about the looks, it's actually there's a lot more behind this 8-piston caliper, humongous caliper, and a 420mm brake disc. This is Leo, I'm the owner of Germantech. Today I like to talk about brakes. And actually, before we go talking about brakes, I like to talk about engine performance. Now, we get approached plenty of times to make cars faster. Generally, a lot of Porsche owners, they have a car that's extremely powerful. They want to have it more powerful in the end of the day. And then we usually go ahead and we optimize them, usually stage ones, which can raise anything between 30 and 100 horsepower extra in a car. Porsche brakes by itself are already top of the line. They are very superior. However, but they are also designed in a manner to accommodate various wheel sizes, as of course a 911, as you see it right here, comes in different variations, would be equipped with different wheel sizes by the manufacturer. As an option, you could choose a bigger wheel size and so on and so on. So with this wheel size, it is very important that we have actually a brake that is sufficient enough. In Porsche, it's usually over-sufficient, so the brakes are extremely good, but they are not really large in size. Now, why do we need bigger brakes? Generally, looking at this brake, this is now 420mm. When we have these large brakes, we usually distribute the heat on a just simply, to put it in easy words, on a simply larger surface of metal, which allows us also to be cooled down much easier by the driving wind and by the air guides that are guiding brake cooling air to the brake disc. And by doing so, we are also producing a much better friction, because once we are getting rid of the heat, the friction of these brakes will be much better. That vehicle would basically have a much better stopping power. This is a similar brake that's also being used in the Macau Porsche Cup races, and these brakes are actually designed to take 900 to 1000 degrees Celsius. So in this case, we have a very good friend and client of ours who has decided he wants to upgrade his brake, as he is running on a 21-inch rim. Now, to this particular gentleman, the braking power, and here we actually do share his opinion as well, he did some upgrades to his performance of the engine. To this particular gentleman, the braking power is just equally, or not, if not even more important than the speed that vehicle can reach, or the acceleration this vehicle can reach. In generally is to be said, whenever a brake is larger in size, it just can take more heat, which helps us to build up more friction without overheating a brake system. So personally, I always get very excited doing this kind of works for our clients, and yeah, we're going to take this for a road test afterwards, and then we're going to see how it performs. So I'm now testing the 991.2 that we just upgraded on the braking system. So these performance brakes, what I realize or what I notice compared to the standard brake system is it's biting much more precise, it's biting much faster. You have an immediate braking power compared to the standard brakes. That might be all. That's surely because the diameter is now significantly larger. So we're gonna take it a little bit in low speeds. It behaves very nice, very dosed, very precise. I don't think that the owner is going to have any issues dosing its brake or over braking out of a sudden. So we're gonna go a little bit faster in the front there, and we're going to see how it reacts when we are crossing speeds over 150 kilometers an hour. So I'm just going to push it a bit. Yeah, this is exactly what I was talking about. Porsche with those, especially in the contemporary models, which are usually all turbocharged. You want to be able to stop these vehicles on time. It's not all about maximum speed on power. It's also equally important, if not even more, like I mentioned earlier, is also the stopping power. So I think we're going to take it another quick spin around here. Go around the bends and see how it reacts. Fantastic. So we're going to give it a bit of speed and then we see how it reacts on higher speeds. Absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. The car comes to a very quick stop from 150 down, absolutely no issue. Can handle it very easy. It is a joy to drive this car when you know that you have a lot of engine performance, you have a lot of power, and you have the confidence to be able to control the vehicle, to stop the vehicle. Okay, all in all, we are very happy with our achievement. Let's have some more fun before we return. Let's have some more fun during this test drive before we return back to the shop. Amazing, bloody amazing. Look how this car stops. Check this out. This is amazing. Okay, let's make a quick turn and let's go back to the shop. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna slow down a little bit here. So thank you for watching, and yeah, stop that car. If you're interested in this kind of brake system, just drop us a like, drop us a comment to this video, and yeah, then we can get in touch and see whether we can do something for your Porsche.